Will AI replace your job? AI systems will create new jobs. More than 1/3 of 750 business leaders says AI replaced workers in 2023. Meanwhile, 44% of them report that there will be layoffs in 2024, resulting from AI efficiency. Elon Musk insists artificial intelligence will get humans to a point where no job is needed. With breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, AI systems can now perform tasks that previously required human intelligence and skill. But how exactly does AI impact various jobs? And which ones are at the highest risk of being replaced? First, let's take a step back. AI didn't start with advanced models like ChatGPT. It has been creating value for humans even before that. Think of AI as a magic tool that can make predictions like recognizing items in a picture, guessing the next word in a sentence, or understanding words spoken in a recording. These smart tools acquired their capabilities by studying countless examples. AI systems then mix these clever tools with other non-AI components to work together to handle a slightly more complicated tasks. AI contributes to tasks that were once hard or impossible to accomplish without it, delivering impressive benefits. And when tasks were already possible without AI, it comes to the rescue, minimizing costs and enhancing scalability. It's worth noting that AI job replacement predominantly takes place for tasks that could already be completed without AI before. However, as a machine learning engineer, I can tell you that AI systems is not yet at a stage where it can handle most end-to-end real-world full-time jobs by itself yet. Most jobs today require executing a complicated network of interconnected tasks to achieve a single or multiple goal. So fear not, we're not rocketing towards a Wall-E movie scenario anytime soon, where humans do not work at all.
Time for lunch in a cup. Feel beautiful.
Well, at least for the next 10 years, right? Most of the time, AI can help to automate or assist a single part of an entire full-time job. And believe me, you'll be grateful for the AI's assistance in taking care of the mundane tasks, leaving you free to focus on the more engaging aspects of your work. So here's the deal. With AI, work can be completed super quickly and accurately, leading to a few possible outcomes. We can get more work done in the same amount of time, which means less stress for everyone. That is, of course, if there's enough work to go around. Higher salaries for those who remain employed, since they'll be working more efficiently alongside AI. Fewer people might be needed to cover the same amount of work, which is where the whole jobs to replace idea comes into play. Let's use the customer service chatbots as an example. These AI-powered buddies can totally handle basic customer queries, like answering common questions or giving order update. But at the end of the day, we still need real people or more complex customer service situations. Of course, streamlining simple and repetitive tasks will still eliminate some jobs out there. The freelance gig market, particularly on websites like Fiverr, has taken a hit as AI features become more accessible to the general population. There are also a few select full-time jobs that can be replaced by AI. So let's take a look at some of the jobs that are at the highest risk of being replaced by AI. Keep in mind that this list is not exhaustive, but it should give you a good idea of the types of jobs that may be affected. The first one is general order taking. AI is starting to make its way into various industries, handling order taking at the self-order kiosks and even drive-thrus. Just take a look at this video about ordering food at Wendy's.
Welcome to Wendy's. What would you like?
Can I have a chocolate frosty?
Which size for the chocolate frosty?
Medium.
Can I get you anything else today?
No, thank you.
Great. Please pull up to the next window.
The second one is telemarketers. With AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants' ability to handle routine customer inquiries and telemarketing tasks, the job could vanish. The third one is couriers. Couriers and delivery people are already being replaced by drones and robots. So it's only a matter of time until this space is dominated by automation altogether. The fourth one is proofreaders. AI can scan text for errors and inconsistencies, potentially replacing some proofreading roles. The fifth one is manufacturing workers. Visual AI and robotics can automate many manufacturing and assembly line tasks. Now, let's not forget that there are also jobs that AI can't easily replace. One example is educators. Teaching requires the ability to adapt lessons, build rapport with students, and provide personalized feedback. Skills AI have not completely mastered. You're safe, teachers. And now, the million-dollar question. Will AI replace your job? Hold on to your jobs as we dive into the factors that decide if you're safe or in the danger zone. The first factor is simplicity. Jobs that involve repetitive, predictable, and straightforward tasks are more likely to be replaced by AI. These jobs consist of low-level tasks that can be directly executed by existing AI systems. AI algorithms can be trained to handle repetitive tasks with consistent accuracy and efficiency, often at a faster rate than humans. Jobs with low variability in tasks and clearly defined rules are more likely to be replaced by AI, since these jobs can be easily programmed into an AI system. The second factor is lack of human interaction required. These are jobs that don't need the empathy, creativity, or decision-making skills that humans possess. Jobs that require minimal human interaction are still more easily replaced by AI, as AI still struggles with understanding emotions, empathy, and social skills. Security guards, for example, might be replaced by AI-powered surveillance systems. The third one is about the non-critical nature of the job. Jobs that don't directly affect human lives, cause financial downturns, or harm businesses are more likely to be automated. For example, AI can replace jobs like drawing pictures based on descriptions, sweeping floors, serving dishes, or crafting product descriptions for e-commerce platforms. The fourth one is data-driven decision-making and availability of training data. AI excels at processing large datasets and making accurate decisions. Jobs with abundant historical data for training AI are more likely to be replaced, as AI algorithms learn from this data to perform tasks and make decisions more effectively than humans. For instance, fraud analysts might be replaced by AI systems that can detect patterns and anomalies in financial transactions that may be difficult for humans to spot. The fifth one is high labor cost. Jobs with high labor costs are more likely to be replaced by AI and automation, as businesses look ways to cut costs and increase efficiency. Customer service representatives and administrative assistants are examples of this. Now, there's one more point to consider. It's creativity. Whether you believe that creativity can or cannot be reproduced by AI will also determine if jobs that require creativity will be at risk of replacement. If you believe that AI cannot replicate human creativity, then jobs that don't require creativity will be more susceptible to replacement. If you have the opposite opinion, then it's potentially a free-for-all. To dive deeper into this topic, check out my video on creativity and AI. There's actually a nifty tool available in the form of a website that can help you determine the impact of AI on your specific job. Simply input your job title and it will provide you with a custom, comprehensive analysis of your job's future in the age of AI. Check it out and see where you stand. While AI isn't mature enough to completely take over complex jobs, it can certainly assist in those tasks. This is especially the case when it comes to sensitive and critical jobs. AI can't be fully trusted to act as a decision maker. Even companies like Microsoft, a huge investor of OpenAI, integrated OpenAI's ChatGPT into its suite of tools and named it as Copilot, not Pilot. This means that most AI tools are meant to be used as a reference, and there will always be a need for human to be in a loop for decision making. In most AI use cases today, AI is used to augment human capabilities, making workers more efficient and productive. For example, medical assistants, fraud detection, image manipulation, and programming assistants like GitHub Copilot. A note to not believe the hype around Devon AI, which promises to make software engineers obsolete and to replace them, as its capabilities are actually still limited and it cannot fully replicate the skills and decision-making abilities of experienced developers. Additionally, with the introduction of faster but still highly capable models like OpenAI's GPT-4o, the capability of AI to augment our lives is set to bloom like never before. This incredible technology can now seamlessly accept text, audio, and image inputs, and its ChatGPT app can integrate innately with inputs from your electronic devices to provide you with its ultimate real-life assistant experience. Imagine being able to open your camera, ask ChatGPT real-time questions, and have it respond like a human while sharing your screen or camera feed, guiding you through any task or work in real time. Get ready for the revolution. In the end, it all boils down to this: stakeholders' trust in AI, and the critical factors we touched on earlier will determine if some jobs are destined for total AI takeover. While AI has the potential to automate certain tasks and replace some jobs, it's important to recognize that the development, implementation, and maintenance of AI systems will create new jobs that we haven't even imagined yet. Just like my job. As a machine learning engineer, I build, maintain, and optimize machine learning systems that cater to hundreds and thousands of companies. A job that wouldn't have existed without the advent of AI. The gig and freelance market has also exploded with tons of AI-related gigs. So, what can you do to prepare for this shift in the job market? Here are some tips to help you stay ahead of the curve. First is develop new skills. Invest in your education and learn new skills that are less likely to be replaced by AI, such as coding, design, or project management, and really learn AI. If you can beat the wave, ride it. To get started, consider checking out my book, The Deep Learning Architect's Handbook, where you'll learn practical skills and strategies to become a legitimate AI expert. This is so you can equip yourself with the knowledge and expertise to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Second is foster creative thinking and problem-solving skills to set yourself apart in the job market. And the next one is to focus on your soft skills. Develop communication and leadership abilities, as these soft skills will remain high in demand. Develop emotional intelligence, which will be crucial for roles that involve building relationships and managing teams, something that AI can't really do. Next is be adaptable. Cultivate a growth mindset and be prepared to adapt to changes in the job market and workplace. Most AI, except for personalized recommendation AI systems, are in a fixed state and doesn't continuously learn as most people expect it to. And if you do see that the AI gets updated, it's most likely a manual process that has to be done by AI experts after identifying some form of drift. And you can find more information of this
in my book.
The rise of AI is undoubtedly going to change the world of work as we know it. By staying informed and prepared, you can ensure that you're ready to face these challenges head on. Amidst the evolving job landscape, I'm confident that AI can yield a profoundly positive and far-reaching impact on the world, encompassing both economic growth and enhancements in the quality of life. For more fascinating AI insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on this topic in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Till next time.